As we approach the end of the year, it is very important for us as individuals and as a collective to be able to take stock, look back, and reflect on our progress or our lack of progress. It is important for us, especially as black people, whether it be individually or as a collective, to fix our ways, not only because we are inferior in terms of how we do things, but with us being conscious of the fact that we start the race from behind and those that are privileged get a head start ahead of us. We are black and we are resilient. Vuka Taki.